You're looking at a phantom wallet with $2.2 million in it, all from launching meme coins on Solana. No hype, no guesswork, just a strategy that works. If you were serious about getting results like this, lock in. I'm showing you exactly how I did it step by step. I used to be a heavy meme coin trader. Every time I bought into a new coin, I'd get dumped on, rugged, trapped, watching my balance drain over and over again. That's when I realized the real money isn't in buying coins. It's made by launching them. When you launch, you control everything. The supply, the timing, and all the money. You're not gambling on someone else's hype, you are creating your own. And here's the truth. By launching coins, you have completely nothing to lose because you are the one starting it. But if you keep trading them, you will lose, bro. Trust me, I've been there. It's just a matter of time. And right now, Bitcoin's at the all-time high and Solana is pumping, as you can see, which means that the timing to launch coins is perfect. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch meme coins without coding. Just a strategy. Make sure to keep watching. And before we get started, I want to be completely clear that this video is made for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Stop the cap! Pump.Fun is overcrowded. Thousands of coins flood the site daily, and yours gets lost in the noise. You have no control over the liquidity, no real profit strategy, and your coin doesn't even go live unless someone else buys in. It's a guessing game, and it's stacked all against you. That's why I switch and I use create tokens.io now. Your token launches directly on Radium, so it's instantly graduated, no waiting, no approvals. It's live the second you hit create, with full visibility and real buyer access. You control the supply, so you can cash out whenever you want, you manage the liquidity, and you own all the upside. If you want to launch your coin and actually gain traction, create tokens.io is where you do it. Now, launching a meme coin on create tokens.io is simple, and you've got two options. I've tried both, but only one prints way harder. Option 1, build from scratch. Pick something that's going viral. So go on Twitter and look for a meme, a political clip, or a trend everyone is talking about. Then come back to the site, drop in a name, a symbol, and a quick logo, click next, and your coin is ready to launch. Option 2 is the most profitable one though, and my go-to every single time. Click the copy trending coins tab. These coins are already exploding on Pump.Fun. They've got volume, hype, and traffic. Click the copy and your version launches instantly onto Radium, ready to trade from second one. Because you are cloning coins that already have momentum, you get instant buyers and way more profit potential without guessing what works. Both option prints, but the second option is where the fast flips happen. But anyways, I'm gonna stop stalling. Let's launch a coin and make a quick buck. So first of all, connect your wallet with Phantom, just like so. Then click on refresh list to have the fresh new coins. And now let's look for a coin to copy. I could do the King of the Hill, but nah, I'm good on that. I think I'm going to copy the Pump Witch coin. Why? It looks decent. I like the art. It has a $43,000 market cap, so that's not bad. And it last by 12 seconds ago. So I'm going to create coin. Your Phantom will pop up. And then you will get the warning. It's completely normal. Just ignore it and continue. Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. That's simple. Just wait after. It should take a couple seconds. Pop. Then click on view on soul scan. Well, you don't need to, but look. It's on chain and it's live. So it's actually legit. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now, some people overcomplicate this page, but believe me, bro, it's super duper easy. You can do this under like 10 seconds. Now, basically, we're just adding the liquidity so people can actually see it on MemeScope and they can actually trade it, right? So here's like your coin, token B, just leave it like that. Amount token A, click on 90%. That's essential. That's going to put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, right? Now, for the amount token B, liquidity. This is the first initial buy inside your own coin. And yes, bro, you are the first buyer, okay? Because you are the dev of the coin. You are not losing that money. You will get it back later after you remove the liquidity. So just make sure you have enough in your wallet, and you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'm going to put 0.4 Sol. That's my preference, and you will get it back later once again. Then click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet should pop up, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and then you should be able to scroll down, and boom, the Pump.Fun coin is now live. We're already up $1 on the coin with it's been like 1 second. Now, if you refresh right here once again, okay, now we're up 201 USD on this coin. So the coin is going up. Now to see the chart, click on view on Photon, and boom, now the coin is open. Just give it a bit of time to load, because it just went live. You could even find it here on the graduate section. Well, migrated, right? But yeah, boom, it's live. Let me go on full screen, and we're already getting buys. Yeah. Okay, we're getting a couple $70 buys, which is not bad. We're almost at a $2,000 market cap and $1,200 in liquidity, and we already have 7 to 8 transactions. Let's fucking go. Now, all we have to do is just watch, sit back, and watch all the money roll in. And I'm gonna do a quick time lapse. When I'm back, we're gonna cash out profits and actually make some money. So please, bro, enjoy, and let's go. Okay guys, I'm back. Now as you guys can see by the chart, it went like up and down basically, and we're at the 2.8k market cap and 1.5k in liquidity. Now right now people are selling, but I think it can go higher because I still believe in the project. But yeah bro, that's the power of create token.io launching onto Radium, bro. It's actually fucking insane. All this in a span of minutes. Now to cash out profits, come back to create tokens.io. And then first of all, we're gonna click on refresh to check our profits. And boom, we're up $1,700 with a $3,000 market cap, which is absolutely fucking insane. Now to remove the liquidity, click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. I'm just gonna do like 100% straightforward. Remove the liquidity. Your Phantom wallet should pop up. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive like 9 Sol around there. It fluctuates. And then click on confirm. And just like that, we just remove the complete liquidity. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet without cutting anything, because I am fully transparent, boom, $1,800 straight inside my Phantom wallet. Now, if you want the chance to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. Then join my Telegram group down below. And yeah, bye.